Bonjour. So, I really don't know what to do, yes, because I got in a very serious situation. I don't need a train ticket today. I normally work as a high-level IT manager in Germany, yes. I have a big legal battle. I went to Luxembourg. I took a train from Luxembourg City to Nancy. I had a paid ticket. Everything was fine. Conductor. About 20 minutes later, 3 police officers came down and said, "Show me your passport." I'm like, "For what?" "I have Canadian and UK passports, yes." "Okay, show me your ticket." "Okay, here." Get up. Grabbed me by my clothes, threw me against the wall on a SNCF train. I'm like, "What is this?" There's 3 of them. Are you a terrorist? Yeah. But your staff was stood right there, yes? Cameras everywhere. No one's doing nothing. They basically put their... I had to go like this. They went and then right in my groin. Unacceptable. Took my wallet out. Took money out of my wallet. Broke my computer. I have to go to the Human Rights Commission with a terabyte of evidence of what's been going on.
And this arrived when?
This was on Sunday because I didn't want to go to... I didn't feel safe in Nancy. If I have a terabyte of evidence, look what they did to it. On your train.
I go to see.
I don't want... I mean, I tried to go to the police and now, you know what they said? "This is France, we can do what we want to you."
I go to see.
It's ridiculous. I said to the French people, "Why didn't you stop that?" They just started laughing. Took money from me.
La commande, la CM c'est 78 10 90.
La commande
Non, la CM chez nous.
78 11 90. Pardon.
My suitcase, look at my suitcase.
Okay.
And then at the end of it, they went, "Okay, you can go." You just destroyed all my stuff and...
I go to see with my chief.
Oh my God.
Salut, c'est Christine à Quai de Paris. Est-ce que l'un des DPX est là? Ok. Écoute, j'ai un monsieur en face de moi. Il est revenu du Luxembourg sur Nancy dimanche. Il s'est fait contrôler dans le train avec le contrôleur, ça s'est passé bien. Après, il y a 3 officiers de police français. Ouais. You have been at the station?
Yes, but the girl was extremely rude. She wouldn't give me anything. So I saw your office and I came by now. They couldn't do nothing. What I was trying to explain to the lady was, right, it was extremely rude. I said, I already went to the police, they refused to record it, laughed, and said, "Get out of France." I'm nervous about going to the police now. Why are they coming here?
No, they come here to check the marché de Noël. You can do them. The SNCF can do anything.
But the thing is, your cameras are on that train. They allowed that assault on that train.
The SNCF can do anything. We are in a Vichy era.
Yes.
They can do everyone.
To anybody. They punched me in the groin. That's acceptable in France.
You can do to the police.
But it was the police who did it.
No, that's 3 persons for the police, not the police in general.
No, but there was 3 police and then another 3 police that got off fully armed with automatic weapons and escorted me. I did absolutely nothing. All I did was buy a ticket. I'm now nervous about going to your police because I went to police station and tried to record it and they said no. What are they going to do?
Yes, other police is here. It's not the station.
But look, if I get on a train, a bus, or whatever, you're telling me.
No, the police is over the officers.
If I was a woman and you got inappropriately assaulted, yes, it would be all over front page news. I can't, as a man, even get anyone to record it. So if it got to court, the cameras which saw them do that, yes, we would have to use your cameras, no? Right.
The police can use our cameras.
But you don't.
We can do nothing.
But the thing is, if you're in Cologne and something like that happens, right? Both the Cologne police log it and also the KVB. You log nothing?
I personally can do nothing.
So
The SSF can do nothing. They have to go to the police.
Yeah, okay, but if someone got shot on your train, right? Just as an example, there's nothing the SNCF can do.
No, we don't have the compensation to do anything. The police is over all
But they're the ones who did it to me. The police
I
stole money out of my wallet in front of me. Took money out of my wallet. What am I? So that's like, if that lady assaulted you, right? So what am I supposed to? So anyone can commit any crime in fact. If that lady assaulted you and she's the police, are you going to go back to that lady? What are you supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? But they've already said they were not recorded. In Nazi. So I have to travel all around France just to get a police report.
You can wait a few minutes and they come to you.
Oh my God. But the thing is, I don't understand. In France, when there's police everywhere, right, because of terror attacks or whatever, they basically, please ma'am, please, they basically assaulted me in front of 20 French citizens. No one did nothing. Your staff did nothing. Police refused to record it. So when France is complaining of terror, I'm not talking to the police. You expect me to go to the police after what just happened? I got assaulted. I then went to the police and they laughed at me. I'm terrified. Really, I'm terrified. I'm terrified in France because essentially what your staff said in the head office was, you know what the police said? They actually said, "You're in France. We can do whatever we want to you." That's the police said.
They can do whatever they want. If you wait a few minutes, if when they are there, I go with you. Okay. They are not here.
And who are they? Are they normal police officers?
Yes. No, it's not normal.
What level are they at?
I don't know. It's not my job, but
how do you
they
know what
tell
level
me in
they're at?
10, 15 minutes.
But how do you know what level they're at?
C'est pas mon boulot, monsieur.
This is an insane country. You have police, no, but there's police everywhere to stop bad things. And it was your police that did it to me, and now I can't do nothing.
I understand. I can't do anything.
Oh my God. So, essentially, French people can do anything they want to, and there's nothing they can do. And they're claiming to the whole of Europe is a lie. I don't get it. I came here from safety to get away from the UK from this. It's the exact same here.